Do you have any idea what this is? I think it's a fruit. Some persons say it's a flower. Do you have any idea? Well, this fruit, in my opinion, is called the fig. Um, so let me show you what it looks like, and I'll also tell you what it tastes like. All right. So, so I call it a fruit because of these things that I think are seeds, but maybe they're not seeds. All right. So it kind of has a guava-like look, right? Okay, so it's sweet. This one is sweet, and I'm told that the darker they are, the sweeter they will be. Remember the saying, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice? Well, it holds true for the fig as well. Mm, it's good. It's sweet. It also has a guava-like taste. However, it's for me, I'm not such a guava fan. So this actually tastes better than the guava. The guava have a little grainy thing about it. This this is smooth and nice. I like this. Yeah. So the fig, and it's high water content. So this is good for your morning because you know fruits before noon, liquid and fiber before noon. Yeah. So it's sweet. The bees are comfy. It's probably a flower for true.